So this video will show you how to use JavaScript to create some calculations and also to assign variables. So like in Python, JavaScript has the ability to use mathematical operators such as plus, minus, multiplication, division, exponent, modulus, increment, and decrement. So for example, at the moment when I'm running my website here, I have the form which is asking me for people's name, their age, and also an email address. So what I can do then is, let's say if I wanted to modify the age output here with JavaScript, we can use some of the operators there to make some modifications. So back in the index page, what I'm going to do is under the let age variable here, I'm going to recast the age variable to a different value. So I can type in age again. Now, because I've already said let age, I've already said use the let keyword once. I don't need to use let again to redeclare age. I can simply say age equals, and then if I said age plus 2, then we can see what happens now. So I'm just going to run this. So if I type in my name again and put in my age as 21 and email and then click me, you can see then that my age is 21 and it's plus the 2 on it. So in other words, JavaScript is interpreting the value in this input box here as a string and not an integer. So what we have to do is be able to cast the variable as an integer, and the way we do that is by simply typing in here parse capital I int and then put brackets age and then we put plus 2. So this time now it's just going to basically change the age variable, and then it's going to convert it here into an integer or a number type, and then we're going to add 2 to that. So I'm just going to run this again, and this time just to save time I'll just put 21 in here and click me, and you can see there now it's 23. And the other mathematical operators that work in JavaScript, exactly like in Python, is we can use asterisk for multiplication. We can use the slash there for the division, minus obviously for minus, 2 asterisks for to the power of, and percentage for the modulus. So if I said, let's do age to the power of 2, we'll run that. So I type in 21, so you can see 21 to the power of 2 now becomes 441. We can also use the increment and the decrement operators, and these would be to simply change the I'll get rid of the exponent here, and all I need to do then is to add in plus plus age here. So it's pass int plus plus age, and that will then increase age by 1. Let's see if my age is 21 again and click. Now it becomes 22. And likewise we can decrement by using minus minus age. So now when I run the form again, enter in an age, the decrementing operator will reduce it by 1. So some of the ways that we can cast variables in JavaScript is, for example, at the moment we're using parse int. So a bit like in Python, we're using the int and the float and so on. You can say parse float, which would change it to a floating point number, and also to string would convert it back to a string. So if I said age equals age dot to string, then that would then convert it back to a string. So this is now actually a string value. Okay, thanks for watching.